You want to see those bryozoans? Yeah, over by that, where that stick is sticking up, there's a bunch of them in there. No. Why did it? Oh, you think it broke up? Could be. I want to take some of it home. I want to take some of it home, put it under a microscope. I have to find something to bring it home in. They're on there. Yeah, I think that's it. No, that's it.
Oh, it looks like a snake. No, this looks like a rock.
No, that's it. They look like rocks, but they're...
Holy crap, look how many there are.
Yeah, there are. Right there.
There's a ton of them. You're running right over them.
Yep. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. There he is right there. Look at that. And they're huge.
They are huge. There's probably 10 or 15 around that thing.
They're heavy too. When you touch them there with your oar.
Are they harmful or are they?
No, not at all. They're just a collection of organisms, and they're just like a community of organisms.
Like a fungus, like it.
No, they're animals. They're in the animal kingdom, but I don't know.
What does that mean? They use air, or they? What is it? What's the criteria for being an animal versus a plant?
I don't know. Maybe
respiration.
Yeah, maybe
plants have respiration.
Making food by chlorophyll. I don't know.
Oh yeah. So eating other things maybe.
But there they are. Yeah, they are solid.
Yeah. If you go around this side, I mean,
there's a whole bunch
it
there.
Looks like it looks like a submerged architecture stone.
That's what I thought too. When I first went over, I'm like, oh, is this like a fishing structure that the Game Commission put in? Pretty cool. Gonna have to learn more about it. I know.
Some underneath, like this one's way underneath. The rest of them are right on top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 of them. So yeah, it seems like, does it attach to something else?
Yeah.
I mean, it only grew here because of whatever it's attached to.
Yep.
It's almost like maybe one thing's getting some food from that thing, and then everybody comes to the party.
I don't know.
Yes, we definitely have to learn more about that. That's crazy.
It's
I'm gonna float.
all right. I'm gonna go fishing.